Hello, this is Chris Minnick with Webucator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create full-width page sections with calc. This video was inspired by a blog post by Andreas Lagerqvist, which is available at the URL shown here. Having colored sections span the entire width of the page, as opposed to a centered site, is very popular nowadays. This is usually achieved by nesting two elements, applying the background to the outer and centering the inner element, like this. By using calc and padding, this can be achieved without having to nest elements. What we'll do is to apply so much padding that the remaining inner width of the element is the width we want the content area to be. We also need to make sure that the padding isn't higher than the visitor's resolution, so that the site remains responsive. In this example, we want the content area width to be 400 pixels on screens that are larger than 450 pixels. So, we first apply 5% left and right padding for smaller screens. Then we use a media query to apply different padding to larger screens. By using the calc function, we can determine the correct left and right padding by dividing our desired content area width in two, and then subtracting the amount from 50% of the total width of the container in order to make the padding equal on the left and the right. We then have the same result as with the nested elements, but with only one element. There is one special case to be aware of, however. If you want to absolutely position something within the inner area of the section, that's not going to work. Setting left to 0 will position it flush to the left side of the viewport. We can solve this by using border instead of padding. However, border can't be set using %, so we need to replace the percentage measurements with VW, which stands for viewport width, as shown here. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks again to Andreas for the inspiration. Check out his blog at the URL shown here for other articles related to web development.